Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to calculating standard deviation with numpy in Python. Standard deviation is a measure of the amount of variation or dispersion in a set of values. In Python, the numpy library provides a convenient way to calculate the standard deviation of a dataset. This tutorial will guide you through the process of calculating standard deviation using numpy, along with code examples to help you understand the implementation. Before you start, ensure that you have numpy installed. If not, you can install it using. Numpy provides the numpy.std function to calculate the standard deviation of a dataset. This function can operate on a one-dimensional array, or along a specified axis in the case of multidimensional arrays. Let's consider a simple example to calculate the standard deviation of a list of numbers using numpy. In this example, we first import the numpy library using import numpy as np. We then define a sample dataset data, and calculate its standard deviation using np.std. data. Finally, we print the result. If you are working with a two-dimensional array and want to calculate the standard deviation along a specific axis, you can use the axis parameter. Here's an example. In this example, axis equals 0 specifies that we want to calculate the standard deviation along the rows, vertically. Calculating the standard deviation of a dataset is a common statistical operation, and numpy simplifies this process with its numpy.std function. Whether you're working with a simple list of numbers or a multidimensional array, numpy provides a flexible and efficient way to compute standard deviations in Python. Feel free to incorporate these examples into your projects and explore more advanced features of numpy for statistical analysis. Happy coding! ChatGPT